Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn a new language, new programming language, or if you are about to get started and you want to know which language to pursue, see this is a common problem because there are lots of programming language out there: C, C++, Java, Python, and many more. So we are always in doubt. So which language to start as a beginners? So in this video, I will show you the reason on why to use Python. Means you should start learning Python. So there are different benefits of learning Python. And even if you have learned different language, suppose you are already familiar with C or C++ or Java, you should keep at least Python in your list. Because see, nowadays Python is very much popular and there are reason for it. It's not that people are just following it. So a different reason of why to learn Python. And if you are a beginner, so this is very important opportunity for you. So just start learning Python. It will be beneficial in the long run. Okay, so let's see different reason. So at first, it is very easy to learn the syntax and how to use it. So see, Python, if you will start learning, then you will gradually get it. So the syntax is very easy. Just like we learn English language, the same syntax is there in the Python language. So this is very easy to learn. Suppose there is for loop or while loop or anything. So just like you will get, as soon as you will write the syntax, you will somehow get the intuition that what it is going to do. So this is very easy to learn. And being a beginner, we always want to learn a language which is very easy for us. And in use also it will be very easy for us. And the second thing you can see is that it is the fastest growing programming language. So there are other languages as well. C is there, C++. It's not that they are not good. They are good in the specific field. Okay. So but in case of Python, it is largest, means in today's world, suppose in 2022, it is the fastest growing programming language. And it is in high demand for jobs. Now see, although I'm saying that these are the reason, now why all these things are there? So this is because as you can see, I have written one language, many applications. So there are huge application of Python, because of which it is high in demands and it is fastest growing programming language. Other languages are also there, but they are specific to a particular field. But in case of Python, it is there in means each and every field. So even if you learn Python, then these are the fields you can start choosing. Means you will not be that if I have learned this language, then I can only apply in certain field. If you learn Python, you can apply in all these things. As you can see, I have list at least 10 applications of Python. There are many more, but these are the famous one. So if just learn one language and you have all this opportunity, you can go in any one of this field. So the first one, as you can see, is data science, data visualization. So nowadays, we know that data is everywhere. So data science and data visualization is currently in trend. Then machine learning is there, artificial intelligence, web development. So you can be a web developer. Scripting and automation is there. Means testing, we automate the testing process, etc. Game development is there. Scientific and numeric computing is there. So there are certain library in Python with the help of which this become very easy. Software development is there. Audio and visual applications are there. Desktop GUI, graphical user interface, business applications are there. So after learning a single language, these are the fields which you can go. Means you will have a lots of choice. So it's better you should pursue Python. You should start learning today's. And I've made a separate series in the Python. So if you want, you can follow the series. You can go to my channel and have a look at it. And just learn it, and means you have to keep faith that it will be beneficial for you in the future. And it is very easy to learn also. It's not that it is very difficult. You can easily learn it once you get started. And even if you are pro in other languages, so make sure you at least keep this thing in your list. It will be beneficial. So these things I have written, these are the application. It's not that I have written just as it is. It is there. So learn one language, and that also it is easy to learn and use in these many fields. So I think you should go for it. So learn, keep learning. Take care. Thank you guys.